Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, you're absolutely welcome. My name is Fummeee and I make videos from Nigeria. On today's video, I'm going to be talking about my top favorite apps for the month. These are the apps that just make my life easy. I use them almost every day, if not every day. Our focus on this channel is to find a way to make your life and your business better, right? These apps help to make my life and my business better on a daily basis. So if you would like to learn about this app and this is something you'd like to watch, let us get into the video of the If you've been watching this video to this point and you haven't subscribed, why are you doing that, guys? Please let us help. Subscribe. I'm trying to get this channel to 1,000 subscribers and I'm trying to get this channel monetized. So if this channel has been helpful to you in any way, please subscribe to the channel, share the videos, leave a comment when you have something to say. Now, the number one app that I have on my phone that helps my day-to-day life with my YouTube and my channel and all that is YouTube Studio. If you're a YouTuber or you're an aspiring YouTuber or you're just starting your YouTube channel and you do not have the YouTube Studios app on your phone, then what are you doing? Like, you need the YouTube Studio app on your phone to be able to check your analytics, check for doing well, reply to comments, post comments and all that. So that is why you really need the YouTube Studio. So the second app that I use that makes my life very easy and content creation very easy as well is Canva. Now I use the Canva app. Canva is a graphics designing tool. So basically what I use Canva for, make my thumbnails. I use it to make my channel banner, channel logos, all those little graphic design elements that you might need that you might not want to pay like a proper graphic designer to do every time. It has a free version and then it also has a paid version. So you can always just get that and use that for your channel. Canva is amazing. I think I have a video here on how to make an intro with Canva. My intro was also made with Canva, guys. There's so much you can do on Canva, so don't sleep on that. So like, if you have not gotten on the Canva bandwagon, you should. Now the next iPhone app or the next app that I use to make my life as a content creator and as a businesswoman is Truecaller. Now what Truecaller does is Truecaller basically helps you screen unknown numbers when they are calling into your phone. Guys, you have no idea how important this is, especially for someone like me that doesn't usually like to talk on the phone. It also helps me know who I'm talking to sometimes before they call. It helps me know some clients that you might have, maybe you lost their number and then they're calling you again after some time. It's usually very awkward when you're like, oh, who am I speaking to? Yes. But usually with Canva, I know your name, so I can just be like, oh, hi, Fummeee, how are you doing? And the person feels welcome, feels loved, like, oh, you remember me, you still have my number. And you guys just carry on your conversation with that. So Truecaller is an amazing app. I love it. I cannot do without it. Every time I change my phone, I have to get a newer version of the Truecaller. It helps you screen out spam calls, spam messages. So every time like a spam call comes in, it just gives you like that red sign at the top, so you know obviously this is just like telemarketing or a spam person calling and all that. So yeah, I really love Truecaller. If you do not have Truecaller, then you need it on your phone. Now the next app that I use as a content creator and as a businesswoman to make my life easy, editing. So I'm always editing my pictures either for my thumbnail or for my social media, that's Instagram and all that jazz. So for my picture editing, basically I go from Beauty Plus, Lightroom and Facetune. I use the three of them because I feel like every single app does something really different and something unique. If you'd like me to do a full video on how I edit my pictures or how you can edit your pictures for Instagram, please let me know in the comment section below. Now the next app that I use is iMovie. Now I have iMovie on my laptop. That is how I edit my YouTube videos and my Instagram videos as well. But then I also have iMovie on my phone. So what that does is when I shoot videos like this or when I shoot normal videos with my camera and I do not want to edit them on my laptop because maybe they're for Instagram, and sometimes when they're for Instagram, it's easier for you to just copy it from your camera to your phone and edit it and post it directly. So at that point, I usually just use iMovie on my phone, or sometimes I might shoot a video on my phone and just want to edit it from my phone and post it on social media without having to use my laptop and go through all that stress. So at that point, that's when I use my iMovie for my phone. and it is amazing. It's also a free app. All the apps I have listed today are free apps that you can just download and start using now. Now, the next app I am currently always using is Invoices. Now, what Invoices does is it helps me create invoices to send to my clients when they want to pay for one thing or the other. So Invoices is an amazing app, helps you to create your invoice. So all you have to do is just put in the details and everything is already created. So instead of going through using Microsoft Excel or any other invoice app, this just does it for you easily and very fast. So the final app that I'm going to be talking about, I know anybody that's watching will probably be like side eye, but yes, I will talk about it, is the Candy Crush app. I have been playing Candy Crush for so long. At this point, I have lost count. I know my level is like 4,000 something. If you play Candy Crush as well, what level are you at currently? What do you think about the game? What is your opinion? Let me know in the comment section below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.